Hey, it's tacgearguy. I'm going to do a review on the Leatherman Fuse Black. Closed, it's 4 inches, weighs in at 6 ounces. It's stainless steel with a black oxide finish. On the outside here, you have a ruler with all measurements. It has inches and centimeters. When you open it up, we have the pliers, the needle nose, regular pliers, wire cutters, and then the hard wire cutters. We'll start over here. We have a lanyard hole, a lanyard ring. We have a small standard screwdriver, a large standard screwdriver, and then the knife blade, if you heard it lock into place. Each one of the tools locks into place. I'll show you more of that in a second. The blade's 3 inches. It's a clip point style. Definitely a decent blade. To unlock, the knife or each tool, you would just press that. That's it. On this side we have a can opener, bottle opener, a real beefy Phillips screwdriver, and then the scissors. These are great scissors. If you look right here, it looks like a plastic type insert. They call it a Zytel Comfort Grip insert. It's definitely real comfortable in the hand. Every day at work I carry an old Leatherman PST2, and it does not have the inserts, and definitely it'll bother your hand after some time, trying to really wrench down on something. That's a big plus to this tool. It came with nylon sheath. Actually, this model comes with a Molle compatible one, but I had swapped it out for this belt sheath. And what I like most is you can put the tool away and holster it open, for quick access without having to open the whole tool. Just like all my other Leatherman, it's a great multi-tool. Right now, I was seeing them for around $50 on the internet. I believe I paid $60 a few months ago. Definitely worth it, and I would suggest picking one up. This tacgearguy, thanks for watching.